Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you're all doing fine. So hope you understood the lesson which we finished 2 days back. That is about the cell wall and cell membrane. Now, after these two organelles, we are going to learn about endoplasmic reticulum. This is also one of the cell organelle. So this endoplasmic reticulum is a very important organelle in the cell. Now you can see the structure of the endoplasmic reticulum around the nucleus. This round part, if we consider it as nucleus, the network-like structure which is present here is nothing but the endoplasmic reticulum. So this network-like membranes, if you see with a compound microscope and all, you can find the network-like structures here, which are usually called as the endoplasmic reticulum. So now, what is the use? What is the function of the endoplasmic reticulum? The first thing is what it does is they create the passages in the cytoplasm. So they have to transport the material from one place of the cytoplasm to the other place of the cytoplasm. So for that purpose, they have to create some passages. We know, we lay the roads. Right? If you want to transport something from one city to the other city, we have the roads. So they are the passages so that you can travel. In the same way, the endoplasmic reticulum also creates the passages in the cytoplasm so that they can transport the material. That is the first and the foremost point. Now the second point is that this endoplasmic reticulum is also a membrane bounded, isn't it? They have a membrane. So this structure of the endoplasmic reticulum is very much similar to that of the plasma membrane. So already we have learned about the plasma membrane, which is also a cell membrane. If you want to know more about that, you can watch the previous video. So now the structure of the endoplasmic reticulum, that is ER, is exactly similar to that of the plasma membrane. And then the other thing which is very prominent in endoplasmic reticulum is, you can see here on the endoplasmic reticulum there are some granule-like structures. There are some granule-like structures. These granule-like structures are the other cell organelles which are called as the ribosomes. As we have read about the cell wall, as we have read about the cell membrane and then endoplasmic reticulum, these are all the cell organelles. Now, one of the other cell organelle is also ribosomes. So these ribosomes are also one of the cell organelles, and these are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum like this. So endoplasmic reticulum, they have the ribosomes on them. Ribosomes are the granule-like structures. They are usually heart-shaped or the pear-shaped. Okay, children, so these ribosomes are heart-shaped or pear in shape, and they are present on the endoplasmic reticulum, membranes of the endoplasmic reticulum. So these endoplasmic reticulum, which has ribosomes present on them, they can be classified as rough endoplasmic reticulum. So what is rough endoplasmic reticulum? The endoplasmic reticulum which has ribosomes present on its membranes is called as rough endoplasmic reticulum. And coming to the second one is, now you can see this particular membranes of endoplasmic reticulum, this network doesn't have any ribosomes on it. So this is called as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is called as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So now the endoplasmic reticulum can be classified into rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. What is rough? Which has ribosomes on it. What is smooth? Which doesn't have the ribosomes on it. So that is how it can be divided. Now coming to what are the functions of the rough endoplasmic reticulum? Now you can say here, the rough endoplasmic reticulum is helping in the protein synthesis. It is helping in protein synthesis. So rough endoplasmic reticulum is a place where proteins are synthesized. Proteins are synthesized. What are synthesized? Prepared. Why they are prepared? Because they need to be sent to some other places. So, and then coming to the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they are the sites for lipid synthesis. Lipid synthesis is nothing but fats. So fats are produced in where? In the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum. So this endoplasmic reticulum is helping in the synthesis of proteins and also fats. So both are prepared in the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. So now these are prepared in the endoplasmic reticulum. That is okay. And then why these are being produced? Because maybe this particular part of the cell requires some proteins. So what happens is, already we have learned that they are the ones which are creating the passages. They create the passages so that they can be transported from this particular place of synthesis to the place where they are required. So they keep on transporting the material, that is proteins and fats, from cytoplasm to the endoplasmic reticulum to the cytoplasm wherever it is required. They also transport the materials from the nucleus to the other parts of the cell, or from the endoplasmic reticulum to the nucleus. So they keep on transporting. That is the work of the endoplasmic reticulum. That is the reason why they also created the passages, so that they can easily transport them from the one place to the other place. And the next one is especially when you take our liver cells and all, like in the liver cells there is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and its major function is this question is usually comes in the examination, so keep in your mind. Liver cells has a nature of detoxification. What is detoxification? Removal of the toxins from the medicines or the drugs which you intake. So when you take the medicines or the drugs and all, or when you eat something which has some toxic material in that, liver cells will detoxify them. It has a function to detoxify them, neutralize the action of the toxins. Okay, so that is the major question which comes in the examinations in the choose the correct answer. So be aware of that. So that is how endoplasmic reticulum will help us in many ways. Now, one more thing also, that is the ribosomes which are also present here on the membranes. You know what is their function? Their function is also to synthesize proteins. Their function is also to synthesize the proteins. So now ribosomes will actually synthesize the proteins, and they will be transported by the endoplasmic reticulum. So ribosomes, what's the function of the endoplasmic reticulum? Synthesizing the proteins and fats. What's the function of the ribosomes? Ribosomes will also synthesize the proteins. So they are also helping in the protein synthesis. So as we are talking about the ribosomes, let's see few things about the ribosomes also. These ribosomes are basically, I told you, they are pear-shaped or they are heart-shaped. So these pear-shaped or heart-shaped ribosomes, there are two types of ribosomes here. One of the ribosomes are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, and the other ones are the free ribosomes. They are scattered in the cytoplasm, so that you can see them anywhere in the cytoplasm. Like so they are scattered in the cytoplasm. So already we have seen the function of the ribosomes also here, right? So ribosomes. There are free ribosomes and also which are attached to rough endoplasmic reticulum. So the 3 points about the ribosomes, you just remember them. One is ribosomes are heart-shaped or pear-shaped. Ribosomes are basically, there are two types of ribosomes. They are free ribosomes, and few of them are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, and some of the ribosomes are free ribosomes because they are scattered in the cytoplasm. And what is the major function of ribosomes? The major function of ribosomes is to prepare the proteins. That means they also help in the protein synthesis. So today we have learned about the cell organelles, that is endoplasmic reticulum and ribosomes. So hope you understood this one, and if you have any doubts you can text me up. Okay, Right. So that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.